Welcome to Turbo Truth. Today, we're diving into the world of one of the most iconic and best-selling cars in automotive history, the Toyota Corolla. For decades, the Corolla has symbolized reliability, practicality, and value for money, winning the hearts of millions of drivers across the globe. Whether you're a first-time buyer or someone seeking a dependable daily commuter, the Corolla continues to be a name you can trust. Under the hood, the Toyota Corolla usually comes with a fuel-efficient 1.6L or 1.8L engine, delivering a smooth driving experience while keeping fuel consumption remarkably low. It may not be a speed demon, but it's incredibly efficient, making it ideal for city traffic and long-distance cruising. Newer models also offer hybrid options, combining even more efficiency with an environmentally friendly footprint. Step inside, and you'll find a surprisingly modern and comfortable cabin. The interior of the Corolla balances simplicity with sophistication, offering high-quality materials, intuitive controls, and the latest infotainment systems. Touchscreen displays, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced climate control come as standard in many trims, proving that practicality doesn't have to come at the expense of comfort and technology. Safety has always been a priority for Toyota, and the Corolla continues that tradition. With Toyota Safety Sense technologies, including lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and pre-collision warning systems, the Corolla isn't just reliable, it's also remarkably safe. These features, often standard even on base models, offer peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. When it comes to ride quality, the Corolla impresses with its smooth handling and refined suspension. Whether navigating tight city streets or cruising on highways, the car provides a composed and quiet drive. Its compact size makes parking a breeze, yet it doesn't compromise on interior space. Rear passengers enjoy decent legroom, and the trunk is spacious enough for everyday needs. From students and small families to professionals and retirees, the Corolla suits a wide variety of lifestyles. And with its strong resale value, low maintenance costs, and excellent fuel economy, it's no surprise that the Corolla remains a smart investment year after year. In conclusion, the Toyota Corolla isn't about flashy performance or aggressive styling. It's about consistency, trust, and delivering what matters most to drivers: reliability, efficiency, and comfort. At Turbo Truth, we believe that few cars have stood the test of time as gracefully as the Corolla. Thanks for watching. If you appreciate timeless quality and dependable performance, the Toyota Corolla just might be your perfect match.